Cardano is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's see if we can get 5 likes on this video, guys. And as you can see on Cardano, we did test that exponential moving average from yesterday, and we rejected very cleanly. Now, we are trading right above this level here at the 36-cent mark. And in my opinion, as long as we trade above this level, the chances of us hitting this major support level at 33 cents will become more and more likely. I mentioned to you guys all the way up here at around the 44-cent mark that when we drop this level, that I would be looking for a possible long position here at 33 cents once we get confirmation. You can see we broke that level perfectly, consolidated, and I mentioned if we were to break that 41-cent mark, it's going to be a waterfall straight down. That's exactly how happened in Cardano. We broke that level, and then we consolidated, and then retested a major level once again. We saw a nice pullback opportunity, obviously, because the RSI was extremely oversold, and we hit that resistance right back into the exponential moving averages, and once again trading below them. So this still means that Cardano is still in a bearish formation. There's absolutely no reason for a long position unless we can get above those exponential moving averages. If we can get above those exponential moving averages and use them as support, that would be a good consideration for us to actually go for a long position, possibly to that 40-cent mark. Now, of course, we did get that retest at 40 cents, but if we were to look at another retest confirmation, that fake out can definitely happen, right? We have to keep in mind that it is the weekend, so we can be looking at another fake out opportunity like this on Cardano, where we may get a wick all the way up to that 41-cent mark and then a move to the downside at 33 cents, because Cardano has been trading in this range for quite a while, right? We have been seeing this massive move to the downside, so a lot of short sellers will probably be eager to be shorting right now, hoping to get that move to 33 cents. So ideally what could happen is, because of that fact, because it's over leveraged shorting positions, we could see another wick to the high sides, possibly causing a massive short squeeze, liquidating a bunch of people, and then creating that move to the downside to that 33 cents. At 33 cents, so we have to be careful, right? We don't want the same situation like we had over at 41 cents. I mentioned this to you before. We wanted 3 test confirmation. Ideally, what that looks like is 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, and then the confirmation for us to say, yes, that's a very strong support. I'll give you guys an example of what that looks like over here on the price action, right? So you can see something like this, where we tested that level 3 times, but we actually broke it on the 3rd test. You can see, I'll delete these circles for you guys, but you can see what I'm saying in terms of the wicks. We had 1 wick right here, that's 1 confirmation, the 2nd wick on the 2nd, but we have to wait for 3 tests. You can see on the 3rd test, we actually broke that consolidation, broke that support level, and then continue pushing higher. That's technically not a 3 test, right? Because we broke the 3rd test, and that shows that the support level was weak. So you can go ahead on your charts and put that down and be like, okay, well, I know that the 44-cent level is not going to hold quite well because we broke that level once on the 3rd test. So that gives you a good indication of whether or not that level is going to hold. And you can see overall, pretty much every time that level was tested, it became weaker and weaker. And then we got the confirmation right over here of this analysis that said, okay, yes, we have now officially broken that support level at 44. We are now trading below it, acting as consolidation. And that's a good confirmation for a shorting position. And that move played out perfectly. So on the lower time frames for Cardano, you can see that we are still trading below the exponential moving averages, but volume is dying. And usually when volume dies, you tend to see a very large move. So just keep that in mind, guys. Although it looks extremely bearish right now on Cardano, because it is, you have to be careful about the manipulation wicks that can happen, right? Because of the fact that there's so many shorting positions here that are pretty much over leveraged, the move can definitely happen for a massive manipulation wick right back to that resistance level, and then another opportunity to the downside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.